So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to double click on the network adapter, and then you want to click on properties, and then click on configure. And now you want to click on the power management tab, and then you want to untick allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And now you want to click on the advanced tab. Now once you're on this, you're going to have something that's called roaming aggressiveness. I don't have it on this computer, but you're going to have it on your laptop. It's called roaming aggressiveness. So now once you find it, you want to click on it and then set the value data to enabled. And you might also have the option to set the value between a number between 1 and 5. You want to set the number to 1. Now once you've done that, you want to scroll down and you want to look for throughput booster. Once you see throughput booster, you want to change the value on that to disabled. And now once you've done that, you want to look for fat channel intolerant. Once you find fat channel intolerant, you want to click on it, and then you want to change the value to enabled, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your laptop, and then your Wi-Fi signal will be way faster.